Okay, this is my final enhancement for this class on the reviews pages. So I'm just going to show that the reviews show up when I click on the view. We have this notice, see vehicle reviews below, and then the reviews show up here, but you can't leave a review unless you log in. So we'll log in real quick, and we don't have the cookie set. Okay, so after logging in, you see that the cookie is set up here, and it brings us to the admin page, which has all of these reviews in here for all the vehicles. And so let's go back to here, and we'll leave a review. And then we have the notice saying that it has been added, and you can see it here. And then we'll go back and it will be in here as well. And so we can also update and delete. So if we just want it to be spelled normally, we can update it and it says it was successful, and it is. And then we can delete it. Oh, hold on. Before we delete, let's show that it's up here. Okay, so you can see that right there. So it went into the database, and it's asking if we really want to delete it because it's permanent. And it was deleted. Now it's gone. And we'll go here and just show that this link goes back to my admin page. I'm just checking my notes to see if I have everything in this video that I need. Okay. And then, so when I log out, that stops the cookie. Sorry, I probably shouldn't have logged out yet. So we can show the valid HTML. So we've got the reviews. And that's valid. And then we'll go back and grab this CSS. And that's valid as well. So yeah, I think that is it. Yeah, thanks for watching.